everybody, this is Ms. Dietrich. We're taking a look at question number 5. David made a class banner out of a large rectangular piece of paper. He cut a triangular piece out of one side as pictured below. What is the area in square inches of the banner? We have two approaches that we can take for solving this. Approach number 1 is to break it up into two composite figures. So I see a trapezoid on the top and a red trapezoid on the bottom. Apply the numbers, substitute in the values into the formula, and finish up solving. So if you're going to use this approach, finish up what I started with the blue, come up with the area of that one, finish what I started here for the red trapezoid, come up with the area of that one, and then you'll add those two together. Now if you don't like that approach, there's another approach. It's the idea of the cutout. So what we can do is find the area of the rectangle. So let me just trace that, this rectangle. If we find the area of that rectangle pretending that there's no cutout, then that would be a 14 by 8. Find what 14 times 8 is, get a value, and then you would find the area of the triangle. Now you would have to do some inferring in order to do this correctly. So the base, if we use this as the base of the triangle, we'd have to infer that this side would be 8. Why? Because 5 plus 3 equals 8, so the base of the triangle would be 8. And then we would have to infer this blue dotted line that I tried to create. Now if we know that this is 11, and we know that this whole piece is 14, that means that this piece has to be 3. Why? Because 3 plus 11 equals 14, and we would substitute that in for the height. So the next step would probably be to take the half of the 8, which would be 4, multiply the 4 times 3, easy enough, and get 12. Now you're going to subtract the 12 square inches that we have here from whatever you got for 14 times 8, and that will be your answer. So compare and contrast the two methods. What most conscientious students would do is they probably do it using both methods to make sure they get the same answer. All right, so good luck finishing this up.